How we doing, folks? This is Kent, K&M Outdoors. We're here at Blue Cat Paylake over here in Pikeville, Kentucky. He's got two ponds. He's got a big pond and a small pond. We're fishing the small one. It's the one with the farm raised in it. He's got one that's got some big fish in it, but we're trying to get us some eaters today. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get on a few, guys. It's a rainy day here at Blue Cat. That way there's the bigger pond he's got. It's got more of the big fish in it. This here is, like I said, just for the farm raised and stuff. Looks like Tupelo just pulled in. We got Chris back with us today, so hopefully one of us will get on to something, guys. We'll get back with you if we do. Bring him in here. Looks like a decent fish.
Is that on the bottom, Kent, or bob? It's on bob, right? Yeah, it is a good one, buddy. Good boy.
Well,
bring him on up here. We're just getting started this morning. Kent's already got one. Right off our bat.
K&M, baby. Hammer.
We hook them all, don't we, Kent?
Big or small.
Alright, we're going to get back at it here.
We got Chris just got a hit on the bottom there. Let's see if we can't get him to latch into it here.
Right.
He pulled it. Did you see it pull it? I didn't see it. He whacked the building there, guys. All right, guys. We've been here about an hour. We've hooked up on one fish. What you figure, Tupelo? 6-7 pound maybe?
Yeah.
Pretty good fish. We flipped her out there 7-8 foot and it just dropped like a rock. Rain set back in. Piss pouring the rain down. We got Tupelo sitting over here. He's fishing on the bottom. What are you fishing with today, Tupelo?
I fish shrimp on there.
Piece of shrimp on the bottom. He's got a hit or two on it. We're going to check it out, guys, and see if we can't get a few more.
I got you. But yeah, he got another good one, folks.
It's number 2 here at Blue Cat, guys. This is a dandy here. What do you figure, Chris?
I can probably go, what, 5 pounds?
5-6 pounds?
Probably.
Nice looking fish. We're going to get back out there, guys.
Oh, easy. Alright, folks, this is Kent here again. He got another small one here. Just got him there. Brought him in. It makes 3 so far. They're just biting slow.
Well, we've caught a few. We've missed a few. We've had difficulty with reels. We've had reels broke, lines backlashed, and lines going over top of bobbers, and deers run through here, and about everything in the world. Guess that's fishing. Here we go, guys. Forward. All right, guys, we got Chris hooked up before him. Looks like a pretty good one. He got him a grass catfish.
And I'm still trying to get that one rigged up. Good boy.
Got him, didn't we, Chris?
Got him.
Yeah, man.
That time, ain't we?
My buddy. Yeah, he got him. There he is, boys. There's Tupelo back with us, Chris. Chris, how's the bite been today?
Slow.
Fear the rain had anything to do with it?
Yeah, probably. Probably messed them up a little bit. We sprayed it too.
Boy, when they hit all at once, don't they? Here's a view of the lake, guys. Now that it ain't raining, you probably can see it a little better. Up there in that big blue building up there, that's the bait shop. Up there, there's the big ponds right behind them portagons there. It's a good sized lake. I think he said he had some fish in there up to 60 pounds. If you ever over this way, it's on Johns Creek. Owner named Dave's a good dude. Come in, catch you some farm raised, or if you'd rather try to hook into some big ones, go part to the big pond. Like I said, we fished a lot here earlier in the year and we was burning them up. We still got 4 or 5 today. Missed a couple. Bluegill's eating us up. Alright guys, it's pushing 5. We've been here probably 10 hours. We've caught a few, we've missed a few. Last thing that we've hooked is Tupelo there, hooked. Tell them what you hooked, Tupelo. That orange thing there. He hooked his line going to his basket. Fit with it for a few minutes, time I got me a good hardy hard. Tupelo, if you had to pick a magic bait today that if we would have had that would have turned the odds better, what would it have been? Cut or hoe? So you figure that would have been the turning factor in this? We've threw about everything you can think of at them. Chicken breast, soaked in about every concoction you can think of. Worms, catappa worms, punch bait, dough balls, shrimp, crawfish tails. Oh, Tupelo, we put some of his famous Bubblicious bubble gum on there and get hooked up. Now, when that man don't catch them on Bubblicious, boys, they ain't a biting. You agree with that, Tupelo? I'm going to give it just a few more minutes, guys. I ain't going to stick out much longer. I guess we'll head back home. I don't know if you can tell, guys, but the old-fashioned storm clouds are rolling in, ain't they, Chris?
Yeah. Getting blackish.
That man's going to get wet before long. We've been here pushing it 11 hours. Our 8-pack ring, go get me a snack, you know, and something cold to drink. All in all, you had a pretty good trip, Chris?
Oh, yeah.
Always fun to get out and fish a little bit, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's gone, boys. Just like that, his bottle was gone. All right, guys, we got Chris hooked up. Wait.
Yeah.
We figure out to go, Chris. 25 plus.
Yeah. Every bit of it.
You got Chris hooked into another one, boys. He's flat smoking them. Chris will lay them down here the last 10 or about 10 minutes. Sure,
That's a good size.
good eating fish right there, guys.
Okay, folks, we're back. Ken's got another in here. Good sizing.
Grass carp.
It's a grass cat, they call them. Alright, we're going to keep at it and see if we can catch some more. They're just starting to bite pretty good.
Is that red counting down?
Yes, it is.
Good deal.
Alright, we'll get back to you here shortly. Kent's gonna be getting ready to leave here shortly. He's got a basket full.
Got a couple of pretty good ones in there. Go and get yours, Chris, and we'll put them in there.
Yeah.
I'll stomp this guts out. There we go, guys. I still don't think that wasn't the big one, was it? Pretty good basket of fish here today, guys. We fished, like I said, about 11 hours, 12 hours. We got us a good mess of fish. A couple of nice fish, probably 6-7 pound or something. But if you're out towards Johns Creek here in Pikeville, at Blue Cat, give them a try. Thank y'all. God bless you.